Welcome to Easy Cooking with JUAN. And on today's recipe, we're going to have my easy and delicious pineapple upside down cake. And if you haven't had my pineapple upside down cake, you better slap yourself and make sure your hands are super duper clean. And these are the ingredients you will need. You will need a box of yellow cake mix. You will need a can of pineapples and a can of crushed pineapples. You will need some cherries. You will need some vanilla extract, 3 eggs, a stick of butter, Land O'Lakes, a half a cup of olive oil or vegetable oil, and a whole cup of light brown sugar. And when I get everything ready, I'll be right back. And now, I'm about to show you how to mix up your cake mix. I already put my yellow cake mix in my bowl, and you can buy whatever yellow cake mix you prefer. So now I'm going to put my 3 eggs in here, just like so. 3 eggs. I think I got a little piece of egg in there. It's all right. 3 eggs in there, just like that. Just like that. Now you want to put your half a cup of vegetable oil in there, just like that. You want to put your 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract in there, just like that. And instead of using water, 1 cup of water, we're going to use 1 cup of the pineapple juice to give it more flavor, just like that. And so next you want to stir it in like this at first, so the cake flour won't fly all in your face and everything, like that. Just stir it up like that at first. Then you want to turn it on. And when I'm done mixing, I'll be right back. Now, what I'm about to show you is how to get ready for the foundation of your pineapple upside down cake. I've already put my 1 cup of light brown sugar in here. Now I'm going to put my 1 stick of Land O'Lakes butter, just like so. And what you want to do, you want to mix it around. Mix it around real good. Everything gets nice and incorporated, mix it around. Mix it around, mix it around. Just like so. You want to make sure it's spread all over the pan, baking pan, just like so. And next, what you want to do, you want to start to put your pineapples in there, just like that. Don't be scared, put your pineapples in there. Just like that. We're going to layer this upside down cake just like that. You put your pineapples all up in there. Just like that. The little juice ain't gonna hurt nothing. The little juice that's left in there. And what I like to do is I like to put on in the in-between spaces crushed pineapples. Just like that. So you can get some pineapple in every bite. Just like that. In every bite. Just like that. And when I'm done layering this, I'll be right back to show you how it looks. And this is the foundation of your pineapple upside down cake. So you can get a piece of pineapple in every bite that you eat. Now I'm going to take the cake mix and pour it on top of here. Pour the cake mix right on top of there. Make sure it's all over the place. It's all over the place. All your cake mix, put it in there. Put it on top of that. It already smells good. Already smells good. And what you want to do, you want to spread it out all over. Spread it out all over. Don't be scared. This is your pineapple upside down cake. You do it the way you want to do it. Don't be scared. Put it all on there. Just like so. Just like so. Just like that. And I'm about to put this in my oven on 350 degrees for 30 minutes or until it's golden brown and done. And I'll be right back. And this is the final product of my easy and delicious pineapple upside down cake. Look at it, y'all. It looks good. It smells good. And I know it's going to taste good. And if you want more easy cooking with Don Juan, all you got to do is like, share, and subscribe. And tell the whole world what I'm doing in this kitchen each and every day.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine.